Understanding, I'll mull it over, a guide to reflective phrases in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and useful phrase, I'll mull it over. If you've ever been in a situation where you needed time to think about a decision or a piece of information, this phrase is perfect for you. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your everyday English. Stay tuned. I'll mull it over is a phrase that means to think carefully about something for a period of time before making a decision. The word mull suggests a thorough process of reflection or consideration, often implying that the decision or topic at hand is not trivial. It's a phrase that conveys the speaker's intention to take their time and not rush into a decision. Understanding where phrases come from can make them easier to remember. The verb mull originally referred to softening something by moistening it or, in cooking, to heat and spice a drink, such as wine. Over time, it evolved metaphorically to mean to warm up to an idea by thinking it over carefully. This historical context adds a layer of richness to its current use. This phrase is quite versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings. Here are a few examples. In a business meeting, this is a significant investment for our company. I'll need to mull it over before making a final decision. In personal decisions, do I want to move to a new city? That's a big question. I'll mull it over and let you know. In everyday situations, would you like to join our book club? It sounds interesting. Let me mull it over and I'll get back to you. While I'll mull it over is a clear and concise way to express the need for reflection, there are several other phrases and synonyms that convey a similar meaning. Ponder, I'll need to ponder this a bit more. Contemplate, give me some time to contemplate. Think it over, I'll think it over and tell you my decision. Consider, let me consider the options. Each of these alternatives can be used depending on the context and your personal preference. I'll mull it over is a wonderful phrase that adds depth to your English conversations, allowing you to express the need for careful thought and consideration. Whether you're making a big decision or just need some time to reflect on a question, this phrase can be your go-to expression. We hope this video helps you understand and use I'll mull it over more confidently in your daily English. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.